First drop. Si Ryan, oh, first catch, oh. Sir.
Woo! Ganito.
Sir Ryan on the run. Ba.
No, I think there's one. Maybe copia. If it's going up, it's copia. No.
Nagkasabitan.
Wala sir. Hindi, ano lang. Madali lang makuha.
Ayun, oh. Trebs. Tribale. Yes. First catch. Kagat ulit kay Sir Ryan, oh. Second catch. Boka. NS Boka. No? Dalawa na.
Wait. Oh. Yeah, I need.
Dalawa na.
Wait. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Palit. Palit ang silver. Ayun na.
Oh, dandan.
Dandan. Oh my God. It's been a while. Grabe naman kalakas to.
Ayaw magpabigay yun,
Oh?
Steady lang siya, sabay humahatak. Oh, no. Nadala, sir. Sige lang. Oh, it's pulling our line. Yours also, Captain? Yeah. Okay, wala na sa akin. You and me.
Yeah. Oh, lumambot na. Allah. Oh. Siya pa nga lang, hingal na. Ha?
Wait.
Oh,
Eh, kwan yan. No worries, wait. Just finish this one with Captain. Nakasabi sa akin siya. Nakasabi na sa akin.
it's yours, Alex.
Captain, don't drop the jig. Just keep it in the boat. It's the kalap.
Oh. Dandan.
Apa? Ako matudungaw.
Yun na. Amber. Trebs.
Ban.
Up. Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh. Anong meron sa kultiba, sir? Kultiba eh.
Ang logi ako, wala akong ganyan.
Panis na yan, pre. Oh, dandan. 3 in a row. Huh? Naka-record ulit. Ganda niya, no? Yun, nakahuli din sila. Captain, no? You need to talk to catch a fish. Sa Bisaya, pag saba, aron banha. Yan. See? I start to cry again, Captain. That's why I cut. Hala, hala, hala. Oh, lakas.
Sa ilalim sa'yo, no?
Hmm. Oh, dandan. Oh, dandan.
Ay, doon na rin. Sorry. Hindi na pinindot.
Pindot na to.
What ground? That?
Yes.
Wait.
Yes. Second cut.
Only in the tail.
Sabi ang hook na yan.
Ganda ng baon ko. Yun lang pala.
Same vice grip, ha?
Same vice grip. Hindi sumakit sa'yo.
Shum.
Bottom.
Beer at the bottom.
Done?
Yes, sir. Pirate of Bahrain. King of Cobia. Dito sila nadadali, sir. Oh. Yung ganyan.
Pitik. What you need?
Nadali din. Malaki, pre. Malaki. Where's the gaff? Where's the gaff, Alex? Yeah. Monster. Where? Habibi.
70 pa lang.
Practice kayak na. Practice kayak na.
Oo, kaya nga sumisigasing ako para ano eh. Maawa ng isda eh.
See? Acting like you are trying already because no catch. Fish will catch.
See, always smile. Life will smile for you.
Yeah.
Only one thing. You have to smile, not smile for you without one.
No, if you always smile, Captain, without reason, you're crazy.
You know, and I was, well, not 3 times.
3 times? Wait all 2 times.
Once and then second, no, third.
Ah. Oh!
Wow! Diamond!
Dardan natin. Twist na siya kung di sumama eh.
Yeah.
Pinadaanan ko lang ng over pa lang ganun. Anong kuha niya? Luto kaya?
No, kultiba.
Ha?
Kultiba.
Mahaba ang gusto talaga. Pink na kultiba?
Diamond.
Oh. Kailan ko na to, sir? 4? 4, 5. 4 ano?
4 na. Dalawa lang sa akin eh. 4 na yan. 4 me 2.
Ah, 4 ko na yan? 4, 2, me 1.
Parang ka na pala. 2-8 ng kalag. Isa sa akin.
Alex, catch you.
Awan, okay.
Oh. This one, 70 kg tuna.
Yes, slowly, relax.
Relax.
We don't want... Don't too much tight, huh?
Relax. Play it, play. So we can add 2 more.
Play.
Kumagat na rin tayo. Kumagat isa pa. Kaya, o kampi, nahirapan ka.
Always you say we want to push that.
See my tears, Captain. I cry.
It's not coming.
Toka. Hindi.
Yamaga.
Ano to? Yamaga.
Si Alex din, yung huli.
Ang bubble siya doon. Nandun siya sa banda rin.
Ba, masahan pa rin si Pink.
Bird.
Fish! Fish! Masahan talaga tong Pink na to, sir.
Dapat niya ito.
Eh, ikaw lang may kabisado ng lahat na yan eh. Ilang grams ba yan? 100?
Hmm. Sige na.
Ayun, sige na. Dapat. Kaya boss.
Hindi na kailangan.
Tanggal na.
Yes, sir. Dapat ano?
Diyan doon.
Oh. Ah. Added collection.
Big talaga.
Sir Ryan on the run. Dali. Yun o.
Nasa pool.
Ah!
Hook.
Kiss on the nose.
Nose.
Giilong part, giilong.
We'll go back for it. Was action.
Giilong.
Yeah. Good weather, but little bit. Weather is good, but yes.
How many you catch?
Very big this one, Sal.
How many fish you catch there?
There we catch maybe 4.
The catch only 4. Captain is playing with his underwater camera,
But no fish.
but no fish. Eat.
In this color?
So you wash first.
Oh, you took this yourself?
Huh?
You took a special step for this
Yeah.
ingredients.
See? Onion. Little onion. Ginger. Then you put little salt, Alex.
Little salt.
Yeah. Oh, number 1, Tarya, my friend.
What is this?
Sir. Salt. Little sugar. You will see the magic, Alex.
And it's fine that it's raw.
Yeah. Little spicy. Instant kinilaw. Hmm? Oh, sir. Very nice. Smell.
Parang kwan din. Parang may...
Alex,
Yeah.
try.
Already?
Yeah.
It should stay for 30 minutes.
No. See.
Anybody else?
Garlic, ginger, onion, little salt, little sugar, vinegar. I forget to bring lemon. In Philippines, we cook everything in that way.
Really? There are no parasites in raw meat.
Parasites is afraid of vinegar. Because the brand of the vinegar is our national hero. Bato puti. Naka-refresh pa lang kilawin sa dagat. Sara no?
Masarap siya.
Good that one with rice. Or you add cucumber. Chop. Oh, ano pre? Ano ang tawag mo? Packet food.
Packet meal.
Oh,
Kilawin.
kilawing shari.
Ito yung packet meal, kilawin shari. Ito yung packet meal pastel.
Packet meal pastel. At ang packet meal pasmo. Pasmo ng mga angler.
You see the back now is empty. Before you remember, we want to push fuel. You cannot, no? Now it's empty.
Mabuto lang siya, maliit kasi. Kapitan! Oh. Kapitan, oh.
Hindi, kwan mo dito, baka ayaw maniwala eh.
Saan tayo punta? Wala monitor.
Wala pa.
Oh, Alex. Eating kilawin. Very nice, huh? First time?
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Tiger! How are you, Mr. Tiger?
Thank you very much.
Pakol.
Ha?
Pakol. The
Eleven
best
lang?
pakol.
Mali ang bilang natin kanina.
I'll keep it, okay. No problem. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 cats of the day.
Plus one fillet.
One fillet,
No, one fillet included.
including?
Yeah.
Today is what? Today is 15 or
Today is,
16?
I don't know,
16, I think.
15.
15? 15.
Yeah.
October. November.
November
Yeah,
now.
15 November.
November.
With champ
Ah.
today, champ,
Ah, champ.
5,
Champurado.
Ryan and Alex. Discuss today.
Okay. Alex, good catch.